Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn additional to the FreeCAD sketching. Also, you learn about the application of FreeCAD tools like Hole, Pocket, Extrude, and Mirror. This is the ESO view drawing that we need to convert to this 3D solid part. There are several ways or steps to create this 3D part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create the 3D solid part. You also find the first sketch that I created in step 1. Try to use the FreeCAD Mirror tool as much as possible. Click one of these FreeCAD buttons to start the FreeCAD workspace. First, insert the body. These are the dimensions for the first sketch. I prefer the XZ plane for the first sketch. Insert the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, we create roughly the shape of the profile, and we will assign the dimensions later. Use, for that, the polyline tool. Assign the dimensions. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 45 millimeters. In step 2, we remove material from the created solid part. Insert new sketch and select the YZ plane. Now, activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. And choose this option to extract the reference edges. Trim unnecessary edges. Assign the dimension from the vertical axis. The sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and then activate the Pocket tool. Select the options Reverse and Through All. In Step 3, we mirror the created solid part about YZ plane. Keep the option Transform Body as it is. In this step, we create triangular contour on YZ plane. Insert new sketch and then select YZ plane. Let us create reference curves from the existing part. Activate the Polyline tool and sketch the contour. Now our profile is ready and we make it solid pad. Extrude the sketch by 18 mm symmetrical to the middle plane. In Step 5, we mirror the created solid part about XZ plane. Select the option XZ plane. In this step, we create the cylinder part with diameter of 40 mm. Insert new sketch tool and select the YZ plane. Position the circle's center on the vertical axis. Constrain the circle's center to the reference line. Extrude the sketch by 44 millimeters, symmetrical to the middle plane. The next step is to create a hole in the center of the cylinder. Select the front surface of the cylinder and activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter to 16 millimeters and select the option Through Hole. The last step is to remove the material from the cylinder. Insert new sketch tool and select again the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Extract the reference edge. Constrain the sketch to the reference edge. Assign the other two dimensions to make the sketch full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. Set the depth to 24 millimeters and activate the options Symmetry to Plane. Now we mirror the last step or pocket about XZ plane. Activate Transform Tool Shapes option and select the pocket feature and then select the XZ plane. now that the 3D solid part is finalized. Finally, I will change the appearance of the finalized 3D solid part. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.